Morning, everyone. This is day 4 of crying every day on my brother's keeper. The show is coming to an end, and we are shown. Oh, the show never again is just boring.
Before they even ask.
Before you ask, it's just boring to watch the show. It's the emotional triathlon. It's continuing, and yeah, have a good day.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again. There was another super stories, and today I talk about my brother's keeper. Njengoba nje guys ukuthi ke my brother's keeper omunye wemidlalo ke ereportiwe ukuthi ke iyaphela with no other season coming. Bathe ke my brother's keeper izophela ke ngo-April. Ufakazile uposte ke a video la veze khona ukuthi ke sekuyilanga lesi-4 bekhala ngoba ke kuzoshonwa since ke umdlalo uphela. Ngicabanga ukuthi ke ezinye zezinto ke abasiplanele ke zona uthi ithina asishaye guessing yokuthi ubani ozoshona, who so linked to ufakazile ukuthi ngathiwa ke usenemalanga awu4 ke ekhala. The first person ofike emqondweni wami guys mina uNqubeko ila ngibona khona storyline sakhe siphela ke ngakhona. He's been through a lot of rejection. Unomsa abasazwani, ufakazile kamfuni bomini bakhe, umndeni awumxolele. So nje uye umuntu engibona ukuthi ke angashona as they end umdlalo ke my brother's keeper. Angazi ukuthi uthi nokho umbono ucabanga ukuthi ke ubani ke lo okhalilwa ke ufakazile. Kungaba ngenza mhlawumbe ukuthi mhlawumbe udade wabo labagane na kodwa futhi akusiyena ukhathazile, mhlawumbe unomsa ushonile, abanye bathi mhlawumbe uyena ubabezala wakhe umshingo. Hayi asazi guys, but ke nawe awushake yakhe guessing ke upost lana ucomment la ngenzansi usho ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi ubani ke wena lo ozoshona kulomdlalo before they end season. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.